Yeah, you have to live up in like how you don't even want one frack to look around him, man. A skirt you have on, so a skirt broad, you know, so you have to live up
Welcome back to the channel where you get a little of everything Jamaican. And today we are in the parish of Trelawny in a district called Rock Spring, and we are going to be talking to a strawberry farmer. Yes, you heard me right, a strawberry farmer by the name of Mr. Codling. So journey with us, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the post notification bell so once we upload a new video you will be notified.
Alright, one thing with my strawberry now.
Mm-hmm.
I have to do a double processing. I have to do things like this. I have to recut off stems.
Mm-hmm.
Well, these are the cup that I catch them into.
Okay. Okay.
Alright, this is one sucker. See, here comes another.
Yes.
See? Here comes another, you know. See it, so it run, sorry, look run now. This one ready to plant. Because you can see it, it's already on a browning process, because this time of the year it's very fast to bearing.
Mm-hmm.
Because it's planting season back to bearing season.
Oh.
But these kind of strawberry, they don't bear one crop of strawberry.
Okay, what type of strawberry is this?
These are Albion and Seascape. They bear
Albion
like
and
right around the ear.
Okay.
You have one in Caribbean, but I don't have the Caribbean. I have 4 kind of strawberry.
Okay.
I have Albion, the Seascape,
Mm-hmm.
and one we call it alright, I have the Albion, the Seascape
Mm-hmm.
Festival, and then one we call Albion.
Okay. Okay.
No, Sweet Charlie, I give Albion 2 times.
Mm-hmm.
Sweet Charlie.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
But if you really, I can show you a difference right here, so in front of you. If you reverse a little bit,
Yeah, man.
if you reverse a little bit, I can show you one difference within 2. Watch your foot behind. I can show you a difference between 2 strawberry right here, so now.
Yes.
Alright. If you look at this strawberry, you will see, alright, look at this one. You will see a coarseness of seed around. You can feel it, the layer on it where you scratch it.
Yes.
Alright, this one now,
Mm-hmm.
you cannot feel that layer on it like this one.
Right.
Because these are the Albion,
Oh.
and these are the Seascape.
Okay, so the seascape have the rough out edge.
Yes, it have a coarser look than the outside. When you want to pattern it, more better for your inside of the greenhouse.
Okay.
Because if you are, look at this one now, it's more fitter, so you can see a more grade on it.
Yes.
You can see a more roughness on it. You can see it? So it's more rougher. You know? It's more, yes, you can see almost the seed almost outside of this one. But this one now is trying to, the seed more replaced inside behind the skin here.
Right. That's the Albion.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's the Albion. You know? So you see them. Alright, now water trouble this.
Oh.
But it no matter, you know, because it's not the season for the season. I just plan let me, the best season when I want to catch back is like from October, November, December, go back to January, February.
Okay.
So it's more heated time.
Yeah, so the strawberry like heat.
Yeah, cause no, wait, right now, me not, you know, it like heat, but it like moisture side.
Oh, okay.
It's like heat, but it's like moisture soil.
Mm-hmm.
Once the soil moisture, you're good to go. 'Cause once it don't get dry out.
Yes.
But once you keep on a juicy section,
Yes.
it's alright.
So it needs a balance.
Yeah.
So, Mr. Codling, how you
Well,
know?
me not really matter about these works. The problem what me have now, you know, because it's
Right.
like, it's a time for me to look, say, me can look on 3,000 sucker, so.
Okay, okay.
You understand? Because
Yes.
I'm on the process of planting more. Because I see the crop that I put in last year from May to back up to July.
Right.
That's it, I'm reaping the harvest now.
Mm-hmm.
So the winter crop do very wonderful because we don't get that impact of rain in winter.
Okay, okay.
You understand me?
Yes.
It's compulsory we get that impact of rain in the winter.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So now it's a spring crop. Well, the spring crop inside,
Yes.
brilliant.
Okay.
You
All right.
understand? It's very brilliant
Yes.
inside right now.
Yes. So, Mr. Codling, how you know in the first place that this soil would be good for strawberry?
You know, strawberry in this section of Trelawny is very good.
Mm-hmm.
We have a soil that in this part of Trelawny where we don't lose moisture.
Okay.
It have a gum system where we don't lose the moisture. Well, them can say in a Jamaica, like the environmental people can tell you say
Mm-hmm.
soil, that you don't tell you say Portland is the best soil of Jamaica with soil. But in a soil with Ridge and Trelawny have a better soil system more than every 13 parish in a Jamaica.
Okay. Okay.
Why we have food around the area, you know,
Mm-hmm.
is our moisture that in our soil that the water don't blow away fast.
Oh.
That's like
Okay.
Trelawny, no Joe trouble Trelawny farmer.
Yes.
Cause if we get 3 months dry here, it's good for some of the farmer.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Cause well, some other area where people be drying out.
Yes. But
2 months or 1 week dry and breeze started to blow the water evaporate out of the land.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You know? And what the problem with most of the people, they're using the wrong fertilizer.
Okay.
That's
Wrong
the problem.
fertilizer in
Yeah,
terms of
and
the.
their soil, the wrong
Okay.
fertilizer. Cause
So which
remember, when you on a soil like a soil that light, that having a little clear,
yeah.
but don't having extra heavy clear.
Mm-hmm.
You don't need no calcium fertilizer for that.
Oh.
You need a grain fertilizer that to build back the soil.
Yes.
That the courage can come up back out of the soil. Because the calcium is just for growing grass, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the salt is just for growing grass.
Oh.
It's not for planting crop.
Right.
Alright, we as a farmer, we test out fertilizer and use it. Cause no fertilizer make for yam.
Yes.
Fertilizer make for scallions, strawberry, ginger, peas, corn, all of those things, cane and them things, none make for yam.
Mm-hmm.
See? We just, you are like, the salt fertilizer is for cane.
Right.
It's for cow farm.
Mm-hmm.
That's what the fertilizer for.
Yes.
But farmer use it in the soil and then get a good result.
Okay. So
Because you have certain soil where it's very good for it, because it's open the soil.
Yes.
Because open the soil make the water evaporate, the soil water evaporate faster.
Okay, so they have to know the correct fertilizer to
Yeah,
use.
correct fertilizer to use.
Yes.
I don't, me not really have to do no, and I say, more doing soil testing, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But by doing certain crop and certain crop, I know that once you use you plant certain crop as a soil, like red peas. Red peas build, you know, it build a lot of moisture back to the land. It build back certain kind of, what you say now, you say it build back the soil rich and the soil get more less disease.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it have more less disease that time. Because if you go and plant tomatoes, you can plant the red peas first.
Right.
And once you get a result out of the red peas, you know, so the tomatoes going to come out number one.
Okay, because the
Alright,
soil have more nutrients in
yeah,
there.
Yeah, you do it. Alright, any soil that you do it first and you can possibly do the red peas first, then you will know the result that the crop that you're going for after.
Yes, I get you. They're
Yeah,
testing the soil with the red peas.
Red peas is one of the most vital plants that to test a soil.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What come from the leaf that drop on the soil, it deal back the soil and they kill out back certain things of the soil.
Oh.
They kill the fungus back from the soil.
Mm-hmm. And provide nutrients at the same time. Wow.
No
interesting.
No people say me go to agriculture school. I don't go nowhere. I just use knowledge increase and knowledge, just do things.
Yes, based
Alright,
on
this my strawberry like this now. I started from 3 strawberry sucker.
yes.
3 sucker. Till I could have built up that they could have given me a greenhouse. Then I could have get a loan to do a greenhouse.
Yes. So how many suckers you have now?
Like equivalent, that's approximately about 3,000,
Wow.
almost 4,000.
Wow, interesting. That's very good. And you started with just 3.
sucker.
Wow.
So I get increase from other source, otherwise still with other suckers.
Yes.
But like certain suckers I buy them last year.
Yes.
I buy the sucker last year. That's what they call the festival.
Yes.
These are the festivals.
Okay.
And these, they are different from the Albion. Because this is the Albion, this is the seascape. I know them different.
Yes. So what inspired you to start doing strawberry
No,
farming?
strawberry, I just have alright, strawberry was once planted in this section of Jamaica in the 85, 84. I believe it was some German organization within Jamaica. They started from St. Thomas.
Yes.
They come to Spring Trelawny in Clarendon. They go St. Elizabeth, then go St. Mary. They don't get the result until they reach South Trelawny. Because they carry a major men cup. I come to Jamaica. They enter any soil that they find that can fill that cup is the right soil. Well, when the white man come and do the planting, then even have to use the cup. They say right now, anywhere rainfall, you have to live long.
Oh.
So strawberry is a support of the water.
Yes, yes.
You understand me?
Yes.
It's a support of the water.
Yes, so the soil is good for strawberry in this area.
Trelawny have a climate. It's not so dry. It's not too wet. It's like a gloss of gloomy because you have this kind of soil. We call it naturally the goat shit dirt. It cannot. It don't. If it gather, but it's like it's very loose back after a time. But you have a deeper part now where the clay is, or all the water that supply back this dirt.
Okay.
Even on the dry inside of the sun, you find this kind of soil most. Because you will find genuine pure black dirt up on that hill.
Okay.
The bottom of it, you still find a moisture of clay. That's to support the water back with the rock.
Okay. Wow.
That support the water back with the rock. You know?
So, Mr. Codling, walk us through, because I know you're going to show us the greenhouse. So, walk us through the process of caring for the plant itself. From the minute you plant it up until it's ready for reaping.
All right, come now, come now. These just plant, some of these just plant 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
Alright, that's what you can show you. I plant like, it's like it bear very fast.
Yes.
The process don't take no long to bear. It's like you plant within a month and a half, by within 2 months, you can be bearing fruit.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, guys, this is the bearing season now in the spring, and this is the bearing season.
Okay, okay.
That's turmeric.
This is turmeric.
Yeah, that's the turmeric.
Oh. Oh, so this is a whole root of turmeric?
Yes, just a one piece of turmeric. This is a plant and it come like this. What? Ginger. Ginger is all everyone said yes. So see her.
Wow.
She actually said ginger started to grow back now, as I may tell you.
Yes.
You
So
see?
that's what the turmeric.
So your one started to grow back now.
Oh, that's ginger.
That's ginger. The turmeric don't started to grow back as yet.
Okay.
The turmeric out in the earth here.
Okay.
The turmeric here now. Is it turmeric? See them like this.
Okay, so you have a lot of turmeric
just
plant
couple
throughout the farm.
Yeah, a couple roots get around it, me plant them around the place.
Okay.
Yes, but it is like these now are just really done. Alright, you see how this look? Just maybe about 3 weeks now we plant these. These are just 2 weeks now since we plant these.
Okay, and they're coming up. So during the time, so you planted, so do you have to spray it or anything like that?
Yes, you have to spray. Strawberry is a plant that's more sweeter than callaloo.
Yes.
And even in the when you go at a root that you see the worm evaporate like this, I'll show you something like this now. It's not cause of drought like sometimes these dry up. It's a worm that go inside here and kill the roots.
Oh.
Yes, it's a worm that go inside here and kill the root. You know, eat out it because the root have a sweetness inside.
Okay. And the worm want the sweet, love the
Yes, it's
sweetness.
yes. So this is a sucker that can catch back now over here, so for a different plant again, for another transportation. So inside here now we just do like this.
Okay.
And it catch. Cause some people will plant strawberry deeper than some people plant it. That's why some people say them plant and don't get it.
Oh.
All right, the way how the strawberry carry the root, you know, I'll show you. See it? It's so it don't need no deep planting.
Oh. Okay. I see.
Okay, if you deep plant it, if you deep plant around here and around here, the water will sow out this section and catch and it will not catch.
And you not catch the root.
Yeah, all right, now we sucker like this now, and I take off this one first. Now it's May. Now it's in April.
Yes.
I guarantee you, so by the ending of May, this plant will be bearing.
Okay.
I see it by the end of May, I guarantee you, so you're ready for bearing.
Okay.
Sucker like this, almost those time we go and bear, started to bear by the time May.
So the sucker grow off the strawberry plant
Yes,
itself.
off the plant itself.
Okay. Wow.
All right, well, you see my tree, them, look how way you can see through them.
Yes.
So I have to go through at times and do a reliefing. Relief.
Okay.
That's the fruit get more oxygen from the sunlight.
Okay.
With the breeze, it more help the tree a little to have to take off all this the leaves like this around the tree.
Yeah, you have to pull them off.
You take off leaves like this around the tree. So the blossom that shoot out now it get a better breeze, so this you more strawberry more.
Okay. All right, so let me ask you something just to be clear. So this is a strawberry plant and it grows, the root grows off, which is this.
No, that's a sucker.
Oh, the sucker. Yes, the sucker grow off.
So the sucker run, it's run a string.
Oh, so when do you decide or how you go about planting this now?
That's what I showed you with this one a while ago.
Okay, so eventually this will look like something like that.
This must have to be like this.
Okay.
Before it gets right. If you know, see it there, it's gathering leaf. So by the next week and a half, you will show me more leaf and come up, and by reach approximately like this.
You just plant it.
No, we don't really plant them like this. I really catch them in the cup.
Oh, okay. I
really
see.
catch them in the cup because what's how I'm planning so. If you do an expansion of plant in one of the farm where I'm doing the ginger.
Yes.
That's how I want to go on a bigger outskirt planting.
Yes.
Because with this planting, you know, I started to plant it like the third week of October. This section from here, so go up here, so. The third week of October. You can come over in here, someone. You know, go walk on it, you just walk in between the furrows.
Okay.
Yeah, so you walk down in between these furrows.
Okay.
Because, you know, it's one thing I'm trying to see if it's like, just like these stuff here, you know.
Yes, okay.
Because you see them, they're running. No. And what I'm not gonna do now, I'm not gonna pick outside here, so now I'm gonna let the sunlight come a little more, so I'm gonna have to giant picking inside here so they come out.
Alright.
So you can do all of these. It's just recent, just October, third week of October, I start to plant and I started to pick from December. Out of this.
Yes.
And from December up to now, I don't stop it. And you don't catch a spring crop as it. It's a spring crop now, it's just going to start.
Wow. Yes. So this is good business, Mr. Codling. It's good business.
Of course.
Yeah.
It's international business in Jamaica. International, because I'm into many hotels and places. I never spend a dollar to get there.
Yeah.
And it's this draw me there.
Wow.
And they send vehicle for me.
Yes.
I meet Sati Tour Bank, I meet the tourist board, I meet the tourist board, agriculture, I meet like Sanders Bar, the owner for Sanders.
Yes, all because of your strawberry farm.
Yeah, because now strawberry is a very short product in Jamaica.
Yes,
But some people don't realize.
Yes, because
the strawberry that come from America or Canada come to Jamaica, the longest time they can keep it in the hotel is for 3 days.
Okay, so how long, so what's the difference
and
with this
strawberry
one?
now, remember say, the strawberry that they get from a foreign is not strawberry that picked to there
Oh, they would have picked it for some time.
Pick about approximately 2 months, 3 months before. So they put it on a cooler system.
Yeah. Okay.
If you reach to the destination after selling. So you know the strawberry will be after I come out for the AC system, it won't stay last long again. It's like they have to use up everything. So when they get our own now, that they will go on no fridge.
Yes.
When they put it on the air fridge, they can keep it for 3 weeks.
Wow.
Even longer than that.
Yes.
Even longer than that. So then we have strawberry for use.
Yes. And this strawberry wouldn't have no preservative. Fresh off of the farm.
Fresh off of the farm.
Yes.
So they use no preservative to cure them. But you know see, for the one that come from farm, they already use preservative on it already.
Yes.
So you see the variety of strawberry that I'm getting. But the rain tamper me now. For the 2-3 days straight rain, you know.
Yes.
So what I'm planning to do now with this section of the field, I'm planning to do some grass by the next 2 weeks.
Okay. Okay.
The grass, this all the outside section, I will be grassing underneath the fruit. Because when the May to June crop come up, under this rain what we getting, you know it's gonna be a bumper.
Okay. So how you know when the fruit itself is ready for picking?
Yeah, it's like, alright, for traveling for certain distance, you have to know how to pick the strawberry for certain distance. If you're doing a near traveling, you don't have to pick it that deeply.
Yes.
If you are doing an export business, like for, not say export, really say for the hotel and everything, you don't have a designated, say, it's like red ripe, real red ripe.
Yes. It turn, you have to make
you
it
know, like 3/4. Alright, these are almost like fruit like similar to this, man. Like this fruit now. This one would be turned. So you'd have to pick fruit like these with a pint of green on it. Like when they don't have the pint here, so you have a section of little green that show down here. So that those fruit are more longer for traveling like a fruit like a these. They are more longer for traveling like a fruit like this now. Like this now. It's like a eating fast. Because it's more red ripe.
Yes.
Because it's more red ripe.
Yes.
It's more longer. It's more easier to go away. So you see a lot of cup me do. If you can look through the place, you see a lot of cup.
Yes, you see them.
They are very wonderful in here. If you look on the element of some of them, like see them here. Like the element, like how these, you know, say, it's like production is very wonderful in South Trelawny.
Yes.
People say
that's pretty.
Enough man say in a foreign they don't get them so much big one.
Yes.
1 and 2, but we have alright when in the January, February, everybody else then if you get that, you know it's out how we go through in this period of time.
Yes.
Everybody else then if you started to get the rain, what gonna happen when the rain come and you started to hear in the rain crop?
Can you imagine?
Can you imagine? Can you imagine?
Yeah.
Alright, now those plants is just last week we planted over there, sir.
Okay, that's over that side.
Yeah, so right now here's our man supposed to come by Saturday come finish far out that section tonight.
Okay, okay.
But I don't plow your side.
What you do to it?
No, guys. I have a experience within the land for keeping more vital juice on the land. Some farmers prefer to plow the land.
Yes.
But our land, when you plow the land on the hillside, you lose moisture.
Okay.
Because the land will be draining too fast.
Okay. So what causes it to drain?
No, through you rough part the land. When the water come, the water go right through it like a strainer.
Oh, so the water, because it's on the
most
hill.
Most of the time when some farmer do fertilizer and say, 3 or 4 days come and say, in fertilizer the farm, although the fertilizer have a sensor.
Oh.
The fertilizer built with a sensor system.
Okay.
So it will, some will go in the plant very fast, like within a day and so. But at the same time, 70% of the fertilizer can wash away through the water.
Okay, so if you break back, they land on the hill, the water will just wash out the nutrients and everything.
Fast. So when you, alright, what I do is like this now. I just cut like a furrow, I just a little furrow in between. These are raw land, this part of the land do not flow.
Oh, so raw land in between. We were
so
walking.
If for instance the jaw sustain, this section will be holding the water for this section of bar.
Oh, I see.
So you will keep a longer moisture. Because this part don't break.
Yes.
So when the water go down into here, so it will soak and keep in on a year. So while we come through this land, this part will be in soak.
Okay. Good, I see it now. Okay, so the nutrients is retained
Retaining
in
the
the soil.
soil.
Okay.
So if you plow the land most of the time inside, if you can notice the water does go whoop
Yes.
through the land, so you know a lot of lose that.
Yes,
We have to just know it like that. Because enough people don't really know it like that.
yeah. I can clearly see that you love what you do, Mr. Codling.
Yeah, so if you don't have a passion for it, is there it's nothing what you're doing and you don't have a real passion for it, it's not gonna really.
Yeah.
So if it's only for making money,
Mm-hmm.
you won't go far. But it's the love of it that you know the amount of people, what people really want.
That's true.
That people really catch on to this thing more than anything out right now.
Yeah.
I've been doing like sweet potato, carrot, tomatoes to 20 years.
Mm-hmm.
And since say 26, I was 26 me start this, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, at 26 me start this, and in 26 when me start the strawberry. I
20
left from Trelawny, you know. They said the year when Poor Hashim lose the election to Andrew Wallace.
Yes.
The day after I go to Montego Bay and I get the tree sucker.
Mm-hmm.
And that's it.
Okay.
When the strawberry farm was around here, they have approximately over 30 acres strawberry were planted in this section of Trelawny in the 80s, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, from those people, because they used to send strawberry foreign from the right of Rock Spring here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because they have all the container and everything around here.
Okay. Clarify for me what you mean by you said 26. You mean age 26?
No, no, from 2006. That's
Oh,
when
from 2006.
yeah.
Okay, okay, I get
2006,
you.
2006 I get the tree sucker.
Yes.
That's where I start from.
Oh.
And I could, alright.
And the farm would have expanded.
I could go. What sucker did I have? We didn't say. The 2000.
Mm-hmm.
2008.
Yes.
I could plant more than 5 acres strawberry already, but I join up, I try to get some youth together.
Yes.
And try to show them, say, yo, this is the thing where we can go in it, look at money we can make out of it.
Yes.
See, the couple strawberry that me come out on the road, how people gravitate after it. So, no people say, man, I say, well, you have to have market. I say, man, product what you have, how you go look at market and you don't do a product. What you go tell people so you have?
Yes.
You can't go take people things and show them say I feel that when they come to you, you have nothing can sell them.
Yes. Because really and truly, Mr. Codling, some people would really go and check out the market before they actually plant.
There is no way.
Yes, but you're saying you do it and then you take your product to the market.
There is no way where you can do in a crop and you look in market for the crop you don't put in.
Yeah.
That's a failure for you. Yeah, when emergency come, then call and you can't find a pound.
Yeah.
Because you don't have none. You don't put up so you want to do it. Want to do it is not do it, you know. It's when you're doing the thing.
Yes.
And the interest what you're doing and putting, you will get help, you know.
That is true.
Benefit will come.
Yes.
But if you don't put in, I can't go take up my money and help you to do this. I mean, you're going to talk so you want to do it.
And you not do it yet.
And you not do it yet.
Yes.
It's like the problem with some people at Jamaica say, boy, Rasta not good, Rasta this. At the same time, you never been a Rasta.
That's true.
You see, you never walk the road of a Rasta.
Yes.
You just follow society and they start discriminate Rasta. Right now, Rasta have a standard in a Jamaica, in the Caribbean, with no other society in the world have it. Because we is the first people that tell people say go natural. Yeah. I have fruit tree right now on my farm here. When I gather from the wild.
You get it from the wild?
Yep.
Such as what? What type of fruit?
I have a source of it's designated right now, one of the most vital fruit, second in the world right now. It's like more, it's carrying more protein more than a strawberry. It's like, it's called, you can Google it and see it too. It's called the Mommy American apple.
Okay.
And it's come in an hour while in Trelawny. It's growing 2 parishes in Jamaica. I can say that. I don't know about others.
Yes.
But it's growing in Portland and it's very much in Trelawny.
Oh.
I can show you the tree. I want to show you what tree I plant of it.
You would have found that in the wild.
Yes, and I have another one now. They grow by the riverside.
Yes.
Where people call it duppy sauce, but me tell you it's a stupidness, because how duppy for your sauce? Who named duppy? How does if we go have so stuff? It must be a mountain fruit because it
Yes.
grow a river fruit then.
Yes.
Wouldn't call it river fruit because it don't grow in the water.
Right.
It grow on the bank. And we grow it, we plant it out here so and it grows that way, so it's not a river fruit.
Yes.
Because my brethren plant it in yard and it's about a couple meter tall and it started to bear a lot.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
it started to bear a lot.
Yes.
Yeah, it started to bear a lot. Now alright, I have one of the two of the swasta plant out there so right now. And the side to going.
Yeah.
And it don't come from the riverside. It's not, I don't get that plant from the riverside. I get it from another brethren that plant because I did set some seed but my one never grew at the time.
Yes.
So I go out in yard and he say, first I go pick up twice so them and cause some seed and anything you can because they drop off a tree and point. Because we have around the river from Spring Yard right down to see that white mountain there. That's where our river sink below that mountain there.
Oh.
The river that round by the bridge come down.
Yes, that's where we're looking at where the stone is in
that
the...
stone you see, it's alright, approximately about say, from that stone to where the water sink, maybe about little more than a half mile.
Oh.
About half a mile from the rock, from there to where the water sink. Where the river sink.
Okay.
Yeah, where the river sink.
Yes, I'm curious about the pond. This little pond here. And I noticed you have one on the other
bigger one
side.
out there, so I mean make them.
You make them? Okay, so what's the purpose? What's the purpose?
Saving water. Water is the most central thing to anything. 95% of a mental life in the world is water.
Okay. So how you ensure that when so you just dig it out, how you ensure that it don't how you know it wasn't gonna soak in the earth but
no, the kind of soil that I know here I wouldn't
it retain the water.
Retain the water.
Okay.
That's why that one also looks so clean.
Yes.
Why that one also looks so clean? It's come off of the top of here, so.
Oh.
Straight off of the top of here, so none of that water don't come off of the earth. That into that out here, so. If this one now come through here, so.
Yeah.
Fall from the earth and run through, walk through here, so and come into this.
Okay.
So when the time get there, now it's really supplying over here, so. So we can just throw some water, just spend the time and throw and full up like this, gut and it keep draining back on the land.
Okay, so you have time where this have its
No,
own water though.
we call this, if you are a farmer and you're on the hillside land,
yes.
and you're not doing second drain, you're not doing no farming.
Okay. Okay.
You have to be a second drain that hold the water that come from the top of the hill. That means it don't force and go through your farm because it will mash up your farm.
Yes.
When the water travels to a distance, it develops power.
Yes.
It develops power after certain changes and it gets the power to move. Because it will be having more supply in it.
Yes.
So you know, so more stronger strength it getting gathering going down the place.
Yeah, it could
so
damage your farm as well.
It will. Because it will washing away topsoil. It will washing away topsoil. So I just do like that.
Okay.
So alright, I go collect my dish now. My something started to be. These are pure yellow ginger and blue ginger. Original ginger. Our old ancestor ginger we them plant in the woodland and we go take them out and plant them.
So the plant here, because I'm trying to figure out where it is. So this is
it.
it.
See it there? They are growing now.
Wow.
So it's one little piece of ginger about like this a plant.
Yeah.
And you see, if you were to dig this root of ginger now, you will find in ginger. I'll show you. Alright. Let's see. That's ginger.
Wow. It's a big root.
One little piece and it's showing like that. You see it, so when you say you plant your own, it's gone back in the spring, you know. Let me have a mini chin lettuce over 200 pounds me have from in my outer bush right now. Yesterday I out one full feeding bag and a bucket full. You see, that's ginger. Original. These are original ginger. We call it yellow ginger. Smelly.
Yeah, man.
Well, I don't know, see the ginger them there.
Oh.
These are the tree what I also said. I'm not dig this here. It's a this here. I'm not dig that this year. I'm going to leave it for next year. Next year I'm going to dig that. Why we got the one roll so? run a bush,
Mm-hmm.
I know that it there excess.
Yes.
Right now, a 200 pound on my plant, we sell, because we sell 300 pound out of it already. And we plant almost 300 pound already back out of it. And right now, I have approximately about 200 pound right now left on the dirt in the plant. We're not going to plant back. I never dig up the whole of the field.
Yes.
Out of the 200 pound, I
Yeah.
never dig up the whole of the field.
Wow. Alright, so what is this? I notice you having it. You have it running through the farm.
Yeah, these are the drip was connected to one of those tanks.
Oh, okay. So what is
So
always
so you are, once it's very easy to dry. It's not getting no dew. It's only the natural water that you replace to it if you get it.
Oh, okay.
Because
The
you'll
drip
be
system,
losing all your plant. Like if it don't have a moisture, you keep the plant, it's not gonna live no long time. That's what keep it.
Okay.
That's what keep it. So these are me have to protect those because I just set them now, because even then couple of wet up back and now wet up them. That the dirt one of them keep juicy, that's the plant and move off back first. You know what I'm
Yes.
I'm saying I should have carried the next container. Originally, when I pick and find a bad one, I don't really take out this stem. Why me have to take out the stem so deep? It's better for the plant, because when you take out the stem off of the tree like this, it's more, you don't have to go back on the tree, go research, cut off the stem. Because it's right, if you have a plant, like even tomatoes, and you, every time when you pick out the ripe fruit off of a tree, and you go with a knife, and cut off that whole stem. Once a tomato is right, turn on the stem, you can cut out the whole stem of the tomatoes. Because those tomatoes are already fit, but they don't, everybody don't right the same time.
Okay.
So you can just cut out the whole stem one time.
Yes.
And you put them down, and whatever couple of days, the rest will be ripening.
Okay, okay.
The
Yes.
rest will be ripening. You know? Like, so that's it. You have to pick it with the stem like this. And then you do like that.
So what happens if you leave the stem on the tree?
No, remember the stem will be, the tree won't have that kind of moisture for beer early because the stem already have sweetness in the stem.
Yes.
This a ripe fruit, you know, the stem the ripeness come from here, so that's where they suck the moisture from the tree. So when the stem started to ripe, the whole entire tree can change by that.
Okay, so as soon as you pick off the fruit, that stem is useless, so you can just take off the whole thing.
When I do them like this now, I'm supposed to go through and do this.
Oh.
These are wastage.
Okay. Okay.
You know, those are wastage, you understand?
Yes.
I have to take off those like smaller fruits like these are for the tree. You cannot leave them for your tree because you can deteriorate the tree.
Yeah.
I'll give you a strawberry if you want already.
Alright.
You're going to remember reach a sugar.
Yes.
Can't give you sugar you know still, you know. Try this one.
Alright. Wow. It's really, really sweet. This is good. This is good. Really good.
That's why I'm sure you're picking for travel like this now. It's like for traveling. If you them in this condition, right, by tomorrow morning, you will see this fruit again.
It's going to be ripe.
By later in the evening, by 3-4 o'clock, and you come and look here and see none of this on this.
Yeah. So if you had a delivery today, you could really pick
That's
that
why
one.
no, for tomorrow, not for
tomorrow.
today.
So
Alright, for Friday, I could do it like this.
okay.
For Friday, I could do it like this. This is Wednesday today.
Yes.
There's a day between. I could do it like this.
Okay, I get you.
So you have a substantial amount of time for it for up. You can keep another 3 weeks in your container.
Yeah.
Another month in your container. So you do it again. Now these me all have to take them off of the tree.
Alright. So for these that you're reaping now, you have an order already.
People already call me for this already.
Okay.
I really don't have no definitely out push market right now. But it's like a creeping up market right now.
Yes.
But it's like I don't have a problem. But I don't have any big contact.
Okay.
I don't have a problem with that. You know? I don't have a problem with that.
Okay. All right. So I noticed though you're picking the strawberry now, you're leaving the leaves on. Is there a
these
reason
are
for that?
no, these are not the leaves, you know.
What are those?
These are part of the stem.
Okay.
When if you happen to take off this off the strawberry, strawberry will be more easier to go soft.
Oh, so
It's like an ovary over the strawberry.
yeah, protected.
Protected. So once you do it like this and I want to see it, you know it's fresh fruit.
Fresh. Oh. Okay.
But when you take off this thing, you can't really discover it, say it's a fresh fruit.
Yes, that's
It's like
true.
a change will be coming.
Yes.
A change will be coming.
Understand.
A change will be coming. Yeah, a change will be coming. You have to, it's not easy to come off of it, you know.
Okay.
But if you do the stem like so, the whole thing come off. Like you do it like this and it's easy to come off.
Okay. Yeah.
If you know, I pick everything like that.
So everything that you do has a technique.
Yes,
you have to know how to do it.
It's like a professional, but you have to know how to do it, you know?
Yeah.
You see, it's the kind of fruits that I'm picking.
Nice.
So Trelawny we bear fruit bigger than America and England. The big
Wow.
strawberry, like 3 strawberry we are phone.
Yes.
3 strawberry we are phone.
My gosh. 3.
Yeah, 3 strawberry we are phone.
Wow. Whoa, that's amazing. I'd love to see that.
Big 3 strawberry we are phone. These are no size. These are no size too. These are no size to them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because if 3 we have 4.
Yeah, 3 strawberry we are phone.
That means them really big.
This strawberry, one of them strawberry, yeah. Like in Canada, America, where them blow up it in Canada, one of them are we half pound.
Yes.
This strawberry is very big strawberry. These. Right, alright, if you notice now, look into this now. How much variety of strawberry you think into this container?
Okay, let me see if I can.
So if you can imagine it. Most strawberry, different variety you think right here, so now.
Okay. Maybe about 3.
No, 2.
2. I see the one with the outer crust being that's the seascape you call it?
These are the seascape. These are the Albion.
Yeah, Albion.
The Albion here. These are Albion.
Okay.
It's more smoother than these. You can feel it.
Yeah.
Feel it and you feel it. Rub your finger
Yes.
down that way.
Oh. Yes, I feel the roughness.
It's like a pine.
Yes. Let me see the other one. Let me feel the one of the other one.
No, this one have a most. I find a bigger one because smaller one you can show you a difference. Let me find a bigger one. That
Okay.
Alright, see one here now. Rub your hand on that. Feel it now. You feel no maca on that.
Okay, yes, you're right. So this is the Albion.
Yeah, these are the Albion. And the next one is the seascape. Like
Yes.
These are the seascape.
And they have different shapes, I noticed.
No, they almost they look the same way. What they shape almost the same way.
Okay.
They are said big fruit and give almost the same shape. That they
Yes.
do. You will find them in a 3 toe, 4 toe. They are like that.
Okay, okay.
You got them just give 4 foot, 3 foot,
Yeah,
2
like
foot.
this one have 1.
Correct. This
But
one
that's the one
almost. This one almost 3. You know, but
Yes.
it don't show you the right amount of a leg and big. Because you can show you more portable.
Because you can see one here,
Yeah, one
there.
here, one here. No,
Yes.
You're going to find fruits like that, man. You're going to find fruits like that. Sure things you're going to find fruits like that. But one thing you cannot, the strawberries don't love grass.
Okay, so you have to weed it.
Keep it clean.
Pretty
All the
okay.
while it's more better for the environment of it.
Yes.
It's more better for the environment
Yeah.
of it. That's a strawberry if you can stay, so you're not going to find everything pretty.
Yeah.
Then you'll find. Because when you pick and go on the road now, if you do a marketing, you have to still grade it.
What do you mean by grading?
Right now, like this now.
Yes.
Perfect
Oh.
fruit, this one you go for now. And most of you go in a supermarket and you find these in a plastic bag. They
Yeah.
call it they sell it for freeze fruit. So you just cut out the spot and take off the stem.
Oh, so
And put them in a freezing. So
I
you have them to
see.
sell to people again.
Yeah, understand.
So it's not a one way of making money out of the strawberry.
Right,
You
so
have more
those
than
are-
one way. You can have a natural fruit to sell And you have juice. Alright, these are strawberry, me call them, Charlie. And them was the first fruit we have. These are the fruit. Me don't really pick them for sell nobody again. Me can do them more on a wine system. Cause me have wine and storage right now.
You make it?
Yeah, strawberry wine.
Strawberry wine. Wow.
Strawberry with gooseberry. Strawberry wine with
The
gooseberry.
strawberry wine and the did
Yeah.
you say gooseberry?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah, I do once I do jackfruit too.
Mhm.
It was very wonderful little juice.
So you take it through the whole fermentation process and all of that.
Yeah.
Alright.
Cause I do the strawberry and those things, you know, it's just natural breakdown, you know.
Yes.
You just natural breakdown. You them break down themselves and come to natural wine.
Okay.
You don't put no water to wine when you're doing wine. You have to just make them do the one breakdown like with sugar
Yes.
or with the said sugar cane juice.
Yes.
And they also can do it make it come breakdown. Cause you don't really have to juice the cane if you do it for getting it. Just cut the cane fine, peel the cane, cut up it fine, put it in a container, show like a strawberry or your apple or the thing in it.
Oh.
And then the sugar from the cane now. And the juice from the fruit, cut up the cane juice and make the liquid come out of it.
Okay.
Once
So
the ferment of the fruit started to the decay, you know.
yes.
But the cane juice will be preserving.
Oh, because it's the sugar inside the cane.
Yeah. Sugar that's inside.
Okay. Wow. So you find a lot of ways to utilize the strawberry.
Well, alright. These carrots I just see grow inside here.
Mm-hmm.
I don't buy those seeds.
Yes.
They come from my own carrot tree.
Mm-hmm.
I want you to like one tree. One tree.
Oh, so you pretty much just get like transplant from them?
Yeah, seed from that.
Yeah.
I'll sow it again and we get carrot.
Yeah.
But yesterday I made you a carrot, I sow all of those carrots and it's on the bank in here. So.
Mm-hmm.
Those come from my own natural carrot seed.
Very good. Wow.
Enough people don't really know say carrot have seed.
It's the first I'm hearing that.
No, people don't really know that. These are my own, and
Yes.
seed come from my own carrot seed. And I saw my soul is in the tree was inside here, so
Yeah.
I really built these, that's why I reap up a lot of them out already. I last it, you know, but it left back and the earth started to grow back one, two piece again.
Yeah. So you would have gotten that knowledge from maybe doing strawberry?
Yeah, doing carrot. I was doing the carrot long ago before I started to do strawberry. Years ago
so
before
you
I
knew that.
started.
Oh, so you knew that before you actually start the strawberry.
Yeah, long ago before I started strawberry. I know that's it. I get me see man from St. Elizabeth I come to Trelawny, live at Trelawny, and when me show him carrot, he must say he never see carrot seed yet.
Oh.
And when me show him it, he must say, no sir.
Mm-hmm.
This one, my first minute see it and me do carrot for much years.
Yes.
And he never see it yet.
Okay.
You never see a carrot just like that one, yes.
Yes.
And then all the strawberry, yeah. Strawberry all grow out of these, you know.
Yeah.
Sucker grow out all these, you know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, if I have a missile or whatever, make it do it.
Yeah, it grow
I
out of the
find
fruit
strawberry
itself.
that grow from off of the fruit itself.
Okay.
Seed grow back out of the fruit. Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
But I don't know if alright. But almost so a similar
Yes,
process.
the one there.
A similar process as that.
Yes.
Yeah, it will be something like this. Yeah, see,
Yeah, 'cause see the leaves there.
there. This.
It's all over
Yes,
too,
yes,
right
yes,
here.
yes.
too.
There's our seeds are growing back through there.
Yes. Interesting.
No, people don't really know because
Yeah.
you can't find it. Some mager than this.
Mhm.
And when you look out here, so it just grow, sucker. And you
Yes.
can just plant it back in the earth and you can start again.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. A lot of people don't really know the strawberry like that. Strawberry is a tender fruit, but it's a very good, one of the best more fruit. It's only two fruit that I see right now in Jamaica. Where you can depend on us, you know, say three fruit like nightshade,
Yeah.
strawberry, grape.
Yeah.
You do those crap, you can't watermelon, you can't broke, you can't, especially this strawberry, you can't broke none at all if you start off Charlie. Because Mr. Alright, you see these 3 years now?
Mm-hmm.
These three dust upon here first, for instance, from the rock stone there, so.
Mm-hmm.
Come right across here, so. To up here, so. to that row over there, so
Mm-hmm.
they are last plant. They are the first set of beer and these are coming off of these tree.
Yes.
So this some of these tree, alright, like a tree like a these. They are already just out here, just 3 fruit pick off of this a tree already.
Okay.
This I have about maybe what you said third.
Yes.
You don't pick off of these already. Yet this have just pick couple tree off of these already. So this one now go start to put on the second crop now and it don't stop there yet.
Mm-hmm.
And it's already enough December plant these.
Yes.
And they started to bear from in February.
Yeah. Nice. So, Mr. Codling, if anybody wants to find you or call you or contact you or so, how can they reach you?
Just you have to go by my number. This number that I put out like 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 4, 2.
Alright, and we'll put that number down in the description below. Alright.
Trying to build, we are building a family farm right now.
Mm-hmm.
I have a brother, that have a son that interested in the farming.
Mm-hmm.
He want to do cabbage and things. I said, yeah, you can do your cabbage.
Yes.
But this is the thing what we should grow now, because me have it already, so make we name establish more stronger.
Yeah, so just expand on the farm.
And this.
Continue it as a family
I believe
business.
this name for this strawberry farm right now, you know, it's like it named I Look Strawberry Farm.
I look.
Yep.
I look Strawberry Farm. That's
Without
a nice
putting another
name.
name, but I tell you, no, Sam, I don't love that name.
This name nice.
That
I
name
like it too.
Yeah.
I look Strawberry Farm.
Yeah,
I like it.
Alright.
Yes, yes.
That's the name I want to put it out on it, because it's supposed to become on the logo I'm doing right now.
Mm-hmm.
I'm doing some logo now to print on it. And the dishes that I have, we're putting out the strawberry.
Okay, so you're creating a brand.
Yeah, for brand.
Yes. And the name will be I Look Strawberry
Yeah,
Farm.
I Look Strawberry Farm.
Wow.
Yeah, you have to leave up like how you don't even want one from you look around him, man. A skirt you have on, that's a skirt broad, you know. You have see really what on it, because you will find quite, alright, that's why we have to do the leafing. So you can see very far and see fruit before you can do it.
Oh, because if you don't do the
Yeah,
leafing, then you have the plant
the
spreading.
leaf will come over the tree and keep the fruit and make it spoil, and you don't see it.
Yes.
And once it's a leaf, everybody's a fruit like this, you know. It's not very easy because more than one leaf come from the section at the same time.
Yes.
So you're not so easy to find that the fruit underneath this one again.
Right.
Yeah, alright, this is fruit underneath, you know, so overripe fruit this is too.
Yeah,
This not
can
sweet again,
see
you know. This one not sweet again, you know. This one almost fresh now.
Yeah.
You know, like how you see the stem cock up over by this one. This one is a genuine sugar.
Oh.
You see cock up like that, sir?
Yeah.
It's a genuine sugar I take up. But we need to go a lot back down now, is that start to, if the sugar start go back into this. That's why when you take the stem from the tree, because if you left the stem from the tree, you know, the sweetness was coming from the tree, you know, was still in the stem, so you go back to the tree.
Oh, I see.
So if you can do your tree, your plant like this, cause I don't do no these stemming from here, you know. I just do like this, I pick this stem and I say everything gonna see tree look clean like so then this stem and
okay,
this stem.
so yeah, so you just do it one
Cause you
time.
can, if you go, it's like, look, no, most of the farm that you go in like a foreign and anyway, then it's like this, then fix strawberry.
Okay, and leave it. So then they have to go back and take
No,
off
well,
the
for them
stem.
farm now last more than 6 months, you know, so they don't really have to do that.
Okay, I see.
You understand me? They don't really have to do that because it's just what them plants spray with and come it out what them will look for.
Okay.
And when then that done, that's winter come again, so they really have to just go and replace them plastic about you. When it's like it's April coming back again, March, April back,
Yes.
when those tree come, then go to improve.
Okay.
Cut off any whole dry stuff on the tree and the tree gone again. Because more time you have to do it. Alright, you're on a farm like this, more time now, alright, so what's this and this now? So you see like this one now,
Yes.
you need to take off these, because when you want to be there with two, you're finding the deteriorating in other fruit from get big.
Okay.
So if you notice, most of these come from straight one blossom stem comes straight from the heart of the tree. But you're not all of them, but most of them will be coming that way. You don't find them much in a double.
Yes.
Cause like even the festival now, they're in a more bunch. More than these strawberry. These strawberry more bear of one single stem on a fruit.
Yes.
So you find it become more bigger.
Right. Right.
Cause you don't have nothing to suck. You don't have suck from no other fruit now go suck it. Cause you know the smaller one go ready after the big one.
Yes.
Cause you want to come out first and ain't going ripe.
Okay. Okay.
You wanna come out first and going right.
Yeah.
Yeah man, we do like fruit like that, man, yeah. You know me neglect nothing more than this kind of food. Me no mind if me no do nothing more than fish strawberry. Right?
Yes, you love it.
Yeah, me have a
Yeah,
passion for
I
strawberry.
can see it,
Well,
man.
me can't say no. Me can almost give a history. My father was in the 60s. My father used to go to America.
Yeah.
They say no, say no, even from there sometime before in 57 or something like that, 56 and 54, 53. He used to go to America go pick like strawberry.
Yeah.
So he was a lover for strawberry from that, so me don't know if that in my jeans.
Yes. Could be.
You don't know if that in my jeans, I don't know, maybe it's in my jeans, you know.
Yes.
So I mean, just have,
from your
right, when they
daddy.
have a strawberry farm around that way, around over the white man in farm, we just call it. One evening, right, if you don't say this restaurant, you know that girl. You see that great old girl?
Oh.
But it's too ripe in the sketch.
Yes.
It started to ripe before the seed out to come to maturity.
Right.
So it's not saying about that girl.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll be on this. Yeah man, I'll be on this. They look two different fruits. Yeah, they look two different fruits.
Yeah, that one there over there so glossy.
Yeah, and this one more of a closer look.
Yes, you can see it. And more grains.
Yeah,
And the grains them closer.
That's why they call it seascape. Yeah. And they call it the Albion. Yeah. Just pick it deep on the tree.
Oh, so pull it right
Oh,
out?
just pick it. Now clip it with your fingernail, don't pull it. Now watch now. This one can't move this, so you cannot clip it off. Oop.
Oh.
These now are the wasters.
So clip this like this?
Yeah, take out.
Okay.
Alright, see like this fruit now, Mr. Lester. You could have pick and leave this, you know. Try to maybe that come the size or this one a little bit bigger.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
So we take off the stem like this.
So like that, so the tree have a more fresher.
Yeah.
It now have no sweetness to suck from the limb again. The sweetness already started going in the stem now.
Okay. So
So you now have no reverse again back on the tree. So you already cut it off, so with a little piece of bump left back on the tree. That I don't know matter much to the tree because
okay. So you drop this in, but what you do with this one?
No, this more time I get that same like you, sir.
Okay.
And there's not really not much because some are good for juice, we put them in this container.
Right.
The smaller one, the man must make juice, we put them in that container. Alright.
Alright, Mr. Codling, thank you so much. And we really appreciate you accommodating us today on the farm. I've learned so much.